Hello, I'm Machelle Watkins. I'm District Engineer with Missouri Department of Transportation Central District. As the weather warms up, you'll see more and more crews out on the road. Construction and maintenance crews, traffic surveyors, and contractors working with us, all working to improve roads and bridges throughout the state. In order to keep those crews safe, as well as travelers on the road, traffic flow may be adjusted. This could mean closing one lane or the entire roadway depending on the type of work taking place. It also could include reduced speed limits or traffic flow guidance, such as crews flagging vehicles through the work zone. Over the last 5 years, 82 people were killed in work zone crashes and more than 3,700 were injured. During Work Zone Awareness Week, we wanted to take some time to ask you to take an active role in preventing injuries and deaths in our work zones. Remember that the best defense in a crash is a seatbelt. Last year, 66% of fatalities on the road in Missouri were not wearing a seatbelt. There are also some things that you can do to prevent crashes. According to the Missouri Highway Patrol, the top 5 contributing factors when crashes happen are drivers being distracted or not paying attention, following too close, improper lane usage, driving too fast for conditions, and failing to yield. One of the biggest things that you can do to prevent crashes is to avoid these dangerous activities. Another way to stay safe is to know about work zones before you even get in your car. Throughout the week, we'll be highlighting some of our major work zones taking place in 2021 in the Central District. There are several ways to stay caught up on work happening near you. Watch for signs and messages on the road. Follow MoDOT and MoDOT Central District on social media. Visit modot.org/central. Subscribe to email updates. And of course, you can also see what's happening near you anytime by going to traveler.modot.org or by downloading the Traveler Information Map straight to your phone and have work zone information at your fingertips 24/7. Safety is our top priority at MoDOT, and we will do everything we can to keep you and our crews out on the road safe. We thank you for working with us and doing everything you can to keep our work zone safe.